Every award, recognition, and achievement has a name behind it. A patient, a case, a reason. Some doctors treat skin, some learn to understand the person beneath it. For Dr. Rinky Kapoor, every treatment begins with understanding the biology behind the concern and the science behind the solution. In a world filled with endless beauty advice and quick fix promises, trust has become rare. For her, every answer begins with the diagnosis. Because skin is not simply appearance, it is biology, confidence, identity. For over 2 decades, that principle has stayed the same. Science before trend. Her foundation at Lokmanya Tilak Municipal Medical College and General Hospital, Mumbai, built a deep understanding of skin biology, diagnosis, and clinical dermatology. That foundation grew through advanced international training and exposure across Singapore, Stanford, the USA, South Korea, and Thailand, shaping a globally informed approach to dermatology, especially for Indian and Asian skin. That commitment to science has been recognized again and again, including the title of Innovator of the Year, awarded by the Governor of Maharashtra for her invention QR678. But the goal was never simply correction. It was restoring balance, health, and confidence. Whether treating acne, pigmentation, psoriasis, vitiligo, pediatric skin concerns, hair loss, scars, or age-related change. Never to change identity, only to restore confidence. And every discovery carries the responsibility of being shared. Through research, mentoring the next generation of dermatologists, and speaking on the world's biggest scientific stages. Her work has found its way onto some of the most respected pages in medicine and media. None of it happens alone. Behind every case is a team of nurses, residents, and colleagues trained to see what she sees. A responsibility reflected through the Debabrata Mitali Oro Foundation. In medical camps, skin awareness programs, and work with acid attack survivors, where healing begins with humanity. In the end, people are not searching only for treatments. They are searching for someone they can trust. And sometimes, confidence returns in the smallest, quietest moments because it was never only about appearance. It was about feeling like yourself again.